Ready? Let's read the title.
It didn't. Oh, there it goes.
No.
Don't look at the camera, look at the book. 1, 2, 3.
Me.
With?
Me.
Good boy. 1, 2, 3. Count with me. Elmo and Ernie. Okay. Come on, everybody. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Count with Elmo and me. Stop playing with your hair. Put your hair down. It's handsome. Elmo wants to count all the animals. Hey, Elmo, do you see what I see? Elmo sees animals. Lots and lots of animals. Here comes... Are you ready? Read the book.
1, 2, 3. Elephant.
All right. Good boy.
Right.
1 big gray elephant.
2, 6. Tiger.
Good boy. 2 striped tigers.
6. Tiger.
Right here.
3. Peacock.
What's this word?
Peacock.
Proud.
Called peacock.
Good boy. Proud peacocks.
4.
Stop rubbing your nose. Leave it alone. Stop. What's this word?
4.
Pay attention now. Come on. Wad. Leave it alone. Waddling. Come on. Waddling. Penguins. Good boy. Come on, read the book, and then you can mess with your nose. Stop.
Probably itches because he's
I know, it's driving him
bothering
crazy.
him so much.
Here.
Turtle.
Good boy. 5 slow turtles. Good boy.
Golden.
Wait, read the number first.
3.
What?
6.
6.
6. Golden lion.
Alright. Good boy.
Let's see.
6 golden lions.
Yep.
7. Noisy parrot.
Alright. 7 noisy parrots. Good boy.
Jumping monkey.
8 jumping monkeys. Hooray.
Yay.
Hooray, Mason.
Person.
Wait, what's the number first?
6.
9. This is 6. This is 9. I don't know why you keep mixing it up. You've always known it. What's this one?
Person.
Good boy. 9 prancing horses.
Good boy.
He says, giddy up, horsey. Almost sitting on the horse's back.
Friendly.
Wait, read the number first.
Friendly.
Number first.
10. Friendly dog.
Alright, you did it. That's it. That's the end. 10 friendly dogs.
Good boy.
The end. Good boy. Now let's look at the camera. Look at the camera. Say, Mason's the smartest. Are you the smartest? Say hi, Papa. Tell the camera. Hi, Papa.
Papa.
Hi, everybody.
Hi. Daddy.
Good boy.
Say,
Can you make a big smile?
show me a big smile. Oh,
You're
Can
so
you
handsome.
tell him, say, I love you.
Love you.
I love you, everybody.
Daddy.
Good boy. Okay.
You're a good boy.
You're a good boy. You did it. You did it all by yourself.